Hello everybody and welcome back to Digital Point. Today we are going to be taking a look at Apple's Translate app. This is a great app that you can use if you're ever caught in a situation where you need to speak with someone who does not speak the same language as you. So this is basically the home screen of the app. At the top you have your two languages, and there are different languages. They're pretty much like the basic everyday languages that you might encounter or need to use if you are traveling around the world. Right now, I have it set for English and French. I already tested it out here a little bit earlier, but we'll go back to this screen here. And it's on English right now, so I'm going to type something that I need to translate to someone who speaks French. So we'll go ahead and start off with a basic sentence that you might need to have translated. Once we have it typed out here, we'll hit go at the bottom in blue. And then it has that translate for us from English to French. Obviously, French is what is in blue. You have a play button where you can have the words spoken out so that the person can either hear it if they need to, or if you want to show them the screen, they can read it as well. You can favorite the translation. You can bookmark it. That way, if you need to use it again throughout your travels or your conversations, you can easily access it at the bottom where it says favorites. Another cool thing, if you are having a conversation through this app with someone, you can actually, when you translate, it actually changes the layout of the keyboard too. So you can see here when I hit enter text, the keyboard looks a little bit different for the French language than it does the English. And then you can just toggle them back and forth, and it goes back to the English layout of the keyboard. Now that we're back on the home screen, you can see that there is a camera feature, which allows you to point your camera at a sign, and it will translate to the best of its ability whatever is on that sign to your preferred language. You have the communication button here, which takes everything that you've translated and puts it into a conversational format. And then you have your favorites here, also your recent. So let's go ahead and we'll take this one here, add it to our favorites. Then our favorites there at the top, English to French, and that is the language. You can access it very quickly like that. And again, hit that play button to have it spoken to you. This is a great app for translating. I've had to use this many different times throughout my travels. It's a great tool right in your pocket. There's no need to try and shuffle around to different websites. This plays out the words if you need it spoken. It is great. I highly, highly recommend using the Apple Translate app if you need to. So that is Apple's Translate app. Do you use it, or what is your favorite translation app? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video.